Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a footer to only certain page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add footer only certain page. Firstly, create some page. Press Ctrl Enter on our keyboard. Then go to the first page and go to the layout menu, then click breaks drop down menu and choose continuous, then go back the insert menu and click footer option, then choose normal footer, then write anything on the footer text, then go to the second page and click link to previous, then select the footer text and delete, then close header and footer. Now we can see here we add footer only certain page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.